All right, well, welcome back to Other's Legacy Farm. Today we are officially starting gardening season. And what are we doing so far?
Okay, today we're going to start sweet potatoes. It took forever last year to start them. We've got these organic that we bought at the grocery store, and these are called Natural Beauty. And then
I can relate.
This one we just bought at a farmer's market, so I don't know really what it is.
This is purple sweet potato too.
So there's two ways you can make slips from sweet potatoes. One is to do the dirt. The other is you put toothpicks in, you put it in a glass of water, and it'll sprout and make slips. And then you take those off and put them in a glass of water until they root real good. And then but we have found for us that doing them in the soil. Okay, our soil mixture, we have a little bit of compost in there, cocoa coir, perlite, and vermiculite. So it makes it nice and airy to be able to sprout. So what you do is just bury it like halfway. So I'll take him down stairs, one down to the dungeon, and we've got grow mats and, or not grow mats, grow lights and heat mats that we'll put them on. And they'll be watered, and I'll put a dome on them at first. So then, this is something we've never done. So we're gonna try this. It says that to plant them like an inch deep.
The whole thing?
Yeah, but you look for like a little rhino horn, it said.
This is ginger, by the way.
Oh, didn't I say
No.
that?
Like that?
Yeah, and that's where it's gonna sprout. No, you plant it flat.
About an inch deep.
Yeah, about an inch deep. Same with that, we'll go. Put one there, okay.
That one here?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good. We'll save those. Okay, and this was organic ginger that I bought at the grocery store. So, next, there's a program on the computer. It's called seedtime.us. I'll do a link below. They have a free version and a paid version. And it tells you when to plant and from your time zone, because you put your zip in. And it'll tell you when to plant, when to harvest. It's a really neat program. It's got, I don't know if that's just for the paid, but it's got, you can lay out your garden where everything is and everything. So our seeds here that we're doing, I've never done this. We've got asparagus. And we're doing leeks.
Let's see how deep.
Half-inch deep and 2 inches. Well, I guess.
You know, it's really a good idea to start your own seeds, because these seeds here I get from My Gardener. They're $2 a piece, and if you buy the little starts at a big box store or whatever, you're going to pay what, $4 or $5 per plant, where we'll be able to grow our own. And then I'm going to start celery. This is going to be a new one for us. I've never tried celery before. Every year we tried something different.
What were we trying to do last year?
The artichoke
Oh yeah.
and beets.
Oh, the beets worked out.
Yeah, the beets worked out. The leeks, look how little those are.
It's like these.
We just use this all the seeds in this one thing.
Well,
We got that many left.
nah. Because it said the asparagus takes like 780 days before,
Comes to us in 2 years.
yeah,
You gonna miss one leaf, I think.
yeah. And then you label the celery. What was it? I think Utah tall.
Utah tall. Mary Washington asparagus.
These here I got off of Amazon. We get a lot of stuff from Amazon in return for reviews. Some of it is really, well, all of these trays, all of our garden beds, weed mats, and I've gotten some seeds there. Sometimes we get junk. But a lot of times, I mean, we get some really good stuff. So we're also going to plant some brassicas because now, according to my app on the seed time, it's not time to do this until the end of the month, but we're going to try to put it in the hoop house because it's a cold. Yeah, it's a cold. So we have broccoli.
I'll do the broccoli. We got Brussels sprouts.
Okay, I've got snowball, cauliflower, and there's also purple of Sicily cauliflower. George and Sonny been putting together some garden beds, raised beds, because we're extending the garden again.
Broccoli.
Okay, and I'm also going to be
Broccoli.
starting peppers, which is too early to start, but peppers take forever.
Have Long Island improved Brussels sprouts.
Last year our brassicas didn't do very well. And the peppers I got from Amazon. So we have jalapeno, Thai hot, habanero, California Wonder, poblano, cayenne, and ghost chilies. So Okay, the ghost peppers. Yeah, peppers take a long time to germinate, take a long time to grow, so I'm starting them early. I think we tried to grow ghost peppers once before. Yeah, because friends of ours, their sons, they were making salsa. And he says, make it hot. So she made it with the ghost peppers. And I guess,
It was hot enough?
yeah, it was hot enough. I like hot,
Flavor too.
but I am going to try to make some hot sauce this year.